Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions, and just like you guys suggested based off of our previous video, you guys wanted me to break down a little bit more stocks that recently reported earnings and that are a little bit more on the oversold side. Again, my whole goal within this video is not for you to see value in all of them, but for you to be selective and cherry pick out of the 16 stocks that we talk about today, which ones are the ones that you see the most value in and which ones you would add to your personal watch list itself. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one is ticker symbol AFI. You guys could see that it previously got rejected right around $5, a little bit more on the oversold side, and from where it's at as of right now to previous highs, it offers a little bit over 30% potential. Let's move on over to ALLE. So again, aggressively sold off due to earnings. This was a previous support level, and based off of the profit potential or the recovery potential, is a little bit over 11%. The next one is ticker symbol BK. We've been following this one for quite some time. It's already began to indicate signs of a reversal where it began to trade above the EMA line. It still has margin to go, but as of right now, a lot of consolidation. I would set alert on both sides, making sure that the overall direction is in your favor. The next one's going to be ticker symbol COMM, a little bit more on the oversold side. Recently reported earnings, and from where we're at as of right now to previous highs, nearly 15% potential. Fast, which is Fastenal. You guys can see it's a little bit more on the oversold side. This one reported earnings a while ago. Again, it's doing and showing signs of a lot of consolidation as of right now. And I already have my alerts set at $48. So once we break above the SMA line and based off of previous highs, we can see that it offers nearly 10%. GoPro is one that I've been personally watching for quite some time. Previous highs are $12.77, but it normally gets rejected right around $11. Reported earnings sold off and still making lower lows and lower highs. I do have an open position on this one, but as of right now, it's not really indicating signs of an uptrend. So if you're under the PDT rule, it might be in your best interest to be a little bit more selective and wait for that proper confirmation of a reversal. The next one is going to be ticker symbol IRDM, a little bit more on the oversold side based off previous highs. This one offers about a 16% potential. NNOX, this one, again, aggressively sold off. Previously very bullish. It does a really good job holding above the SMA line, but as of right now, it did break below the SMA line, and it is still trading below the EMA line. So let's make sure that we set the alerts on that. The very popular tech stock, right? So this is PLTR, aggressively sold off due to earnings, and this one's one that a lot of people have been paying attention to due to how bullish it's been since it IPO'd. And as of right now, based off of previous lows and already indicating signs of a reversal from where we're at right now to previous highs, it offers nearly a 50% potential. This is ticker symbol race, so this is Ferrari. It's been consistently selling off, so be very, very careful when you decide to buy. As of right now, it's still making lower lows and lower highs. Make sure you set the alert and that direction is in your favor, but from where we're at as of right now to previous highs, it offers nearly a 16% potential. SAH, a little bit more on the oversold side based off of previous support levels and based off of previous highs. This one offers nearly a 20% potential. The next one is SCI. Aggressively sold off due to earnings. It was just at 180-day highs, and from where we're at as of right now to previous resistance levels, it offers nearly a 12% ROI. TEVA, which is a very popular, trendy pharmaceutical stock. I personally don't trade them myself, but again, I'm just trying to do my part in talking about stocks that offer some form of potential, but it's in your best interest to only cherry pick the ones that resonate well with the criteria that you see value in. So as of right now, still trading below the EMA line, but from where we're at as of right now to previous highs, nearly a 16% potential for overall recovery. UNH, aggressively or consistently making low and lower highs, but as of right now, from where we're at to previous resistance levels, offers nearly an 11% potential. So this is Wingstop. So we talked about this one just a couple days ago. Still consolidating right around the SMA line, and from where we're at right now to previous highs, it offers nearly a 21% potential. So if you were to be able to ride that recovery, can buy a lot of hot wings. The next one is WWE, aggressively sold off due to earnings. A lot of consolidation right now and no indication of an uptrend just yet, but from where we're at right now to previous highs, nearly a 25% potential. And you might be asking, well, Ricky, what's the goal in trading stocks that recently sold off due to earnings, and how do they look like when they recover? Well, the goal, again, is something to work towards, but USB is a perfect example where they report earnings, it sells off. It was previously bullish, it sells off, it begins to indicate signs of a reversal, and then makes a nice recovery again. And this is one that we talked about just a couple weeks ago when it reported earnings. It sold off. We waited for proper indication of reversal, and then it actually began to recover. So again, not all stocks recover right after earnings. Some recover quicker than others. It is just in your best interest to make sure that you only take advantage of the opportunities in which that you see value in and that you can manage as well. So if you guys want me to continue making these videos, all we literally ask you to do is to drop a thumbs up, and hopefully you can consider subscribing to the YouTube channel. Don't forget to stay connected and join our free Facebook group. That's going to be that first link in the description. We have over 306,000 members within this free Facebook group. So if you want to connect with like-minded individuals, we'd love to stay connected. Until then, like always, continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be your drive to your success. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.